This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
On Twitter, you can also have pinned tweets. And again, if you want to promote something extra, some piece of content you want to drive traffic to, you can pin your tweet and then work to get traffic to your Twitter account. So here's how you do it. On the top right, you click more, and it's very easy. Pin to your profile page. And if you do that, it will unpin whatever you currently have if you have something, and it will pin that content until you unpin it or pin something new. It's that simple. And you see here I was experimenting with, I have this is a pinned tweet, and I was experimenting with it, and I already got a lot of engagement on it. You see, like 24 retweets, 10 hearts, all that. So I won't guarantee that this is going to happen to you, but at least you give yourself more of a chance with the pinned tweet to get more engagement with that tweet. And of course, the better the tweet is, the better the content is, the more it has a chance to go get shared, or people will retweet it, or anything else.